Hi friends, in today's video we are going to learn font function which is under home tab. Okay, so here you can see under home tab and font group there is a bold, italic and double underline, then border, then fill color, then text color, then here you can see increase the font size, decrease the font size. So we are going to learn all these font group function. Okay, so firstly we will go from the bold button. So if we click here bold button, so it will convert your text into bold. Okay, here you can select shortcut key Control B. So here I have selected the text which I want to bold. Then I will click on bold button, or we can press shortcut key Control B. Okay, now the second, italic. If you want this text to be appear in italic, so here you need to firstly you need to select the text, then need to click on italic button, so it will convert under italic view. Then if you want to add underline under the text, so we will click here underline. Here you can see that two option is available, underline and double underline. Okay, if you want single underline, so here we will click to add underline under text. Okay, if you want double underline, so again we will select and click on double underline. So like that you can customize your requirement. Now we will go for bordering. If you want to give a border to this data, so first what we need to do, we need to select the data. Okay, then we need to click on border. So multiple borders are available by default in the Excel, so we can select the data borders as per our requirement. For example, if I select all borders, so it will appear like that. Okay, if we want thick outside the border, so it will appear like that. Okay, now if we want border color, so we can select the color from here. Okay, so like that this will appear. I'm going to erase all the borders. Okay, here to erase the border you can select erase border. Okay, so now the other we'll go for other function, that is fill color. If you want to fill the color in the cell, then we can use that function. For example, if you want to fill the cell, so we will select the here and we'll select that. Okay, if you want to color the font, okay, if for example I want to highlight, if anyone having 30 marks, I want to highlight in red color, so what we will do, we will select the data and we will click on that button, font color. Okay, so now I'm going to summarize this. Firstly, we want to have, if you want to bold the data, we will click here bold. If you want italic, we will click here italic. If you want to give the border, we will select the data and we will give the border from the available option. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.